Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G200, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things. It's a SIM ejector which comes provided with the device in the box. You can grab one of these, or alternatively you can use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well as this, assuming it doesn't have that little plastic wrap around it. Anyway, once you have one of those, you're going to pop out your SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, so right over here, as you can see. Push the pin in and the tray pops out, and on the tray you have space for only a SIM card. So you can place two different SIM cards on either side of them. You can place one SIM card or on either side, doesn't really matter, but there is no space for SD card, unfortunately. So anyway, once you place your SIM card with the chip side up like this, I'm gonna insert it back into the device, and it should start working automatically. Just give it a second. There we go. As you can see, it pops up with the SIM pin, so I'll confirm that. And there we go. That's the SIM working. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.